Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and it is Boots number 7, 25 days of beauty advent calendar. That's what it looks like. Open it up. You can see all the products come in little drawers. The cost is £49.50 and it has a value of £211. There is another number 7 advent calendar, and that's the ultimate one, and that costs £140 and it has a value of £433, and that contains 23 full-size products. I think it's great that they've brought out 2 advent calendars with 2 completely different price ranges. So I thought I would get this and share it with you. If you're interested in this for yourself or the other one, then underneath this video you'll see my description. If you click on that, then it'll all bring up information about the advent calendars and links, and also I have a giveaway running on Instagram. It's my second of my 3 advent calendar Instagram giveaway, and I'm giving away a Sephora advent calendar, so you'll find links down below there as well. So let's get on to seeing what's in day number 1 over here. That's what they look like. Oh, we've got a lipstick. This is, doesn't tell me, what's it say? Starry Nights. Okay, what's the colour? Oh wow! Oh, this is so pretty! Look! Look! Look at that glitter! Oh my gosh! Oh, that is really, really pretty. I was thinking it looks stunning, but what on earth is it going to be like actually on my lips? I do think there is more glitter on the outside than what you're applying to your lips, but this is really pretty. The colour is gorgeous, and you can just see the gold bits through it faintly, you know? So proper party lipstick there. Oh, that is really, really stunning. Yeah, really pretty. Day number 1. Day number 2 over here. Oh, we've got a lip glaze. This is in the shade Luna. That's really pretty as well. And I'll put a little bit on top as well of the lipstick to see what it would be like on top for added sparkle. They go together really, really nicely. I'd probably use this more just like on my Cupid's bow maybe, and just a little bit in the middle just to draw attention, a little bit of lightness there and a bit of glow. But yeah, really, really pretty. Day number 3. Got a long one here. Got a brush. No writing on it, but it's an angled brush. There. I love these type of brushes if I want to create like a really dark, intense outer corner. Just really easy, just to stipple on your eye and just lightly blend out. Perfect. Day number 4. Here we got some eyeshadow. These are gorgeous shades. These are a warm suede trio eyeshadow. I'll just open it up and show you. There. I love the middle one. I'm obsessed with this kind of taupey, mushroomy brown, you know? It's a transition colour. I love applying it underneath my eyes just to give like a really smoky look to my eyes. I just love a sort of 90s grungy smoky eye effect. So yeah, I'm obsessed with that colour, and the other 2 are really nice as well. I think we're on day number 5. Which is here. Is it another brush? No. We have got an eyeliner, Starry Eyes, and it's got a little smudger as well. You could twist it up. So it's a black eyeliner. It's more of a charcoal. It's not an intense black, but it's not quite a grey, but it's got a little bit of silver sparkle in it. Hopefully you can see there. It's very subtle. Is it silver or is it gold? I don't know. I think it's gold. And then you've got a little smudge brush then. Doing this backwards. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I don't want to put it in the lipstick, but I'm guessing I probably am. So yeah, so you've got a subtly sparkly off black eyeliner. Day number 6 over here. And we have got a lash extender. This is a fibre mascara for lashes that look instantly volumized and stretched. I'm really impressed with the sizes that I'm getting at the moment. Really good sizes, not teeny tiny samples. Did try a mascara a number 7 mascara recently and it didn't do anything for my lashes. I really need a gloopy type of mascara so that it really sticks to my lashes. The number 7 one I tried, it wasn't this one, I don't know what it was. I was just like wetting the lashes then, you know, it wasn't looking much different. It just looked like I was just wetting them, which isn't great. I want my lashes to stand out, or the little stumps that they are anyway. But yeah, I'll give that a go. Definitely lash extender fibre. Day number 7 over here. And we've got some skincare. This is Protect and Perfect Intense Advance Dual Action Cleansing Water. There's 50 ml here and it says cleanses and exfoliate for refreshed luminous looking skin. Prime skin for your age defying regime. Something new for me. Handy little size, take away. So yeah. A micellar water dual action exfoliating cleanser is that. Day number 8 over here. Woo, they're all falling. If you're a number 7 fan, what are your favourite products from the brand? I'd love to hear. Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Day Cream, and it contains SPF 15. It has a 5-star UVA ultra rating, and we got 25 mils there. Factor 15 is really low for me. I always apply a separate SPF anyway, but sometimes it's handy if I have a moisturiser with an SPF in it if I'm like need to get out somewhere quickly or whatever. 15 is quite low, but I suppose it's better than nothing. I tend to go for at least 20 in winter and definitely 50 most of the year in all honesty. But yeah, so what day are we on now? Day number 9, we've got a night cream. So still from the Protect and Perfect range. Intense Advanced Night Cream, suitable for sensitive skins. And there's 25 mils there as well. Massage in small upward circles over your face and neck. So yeah. Day number 10, down here. Besides getting a number 7 advent calendar, I don't use number 7 throughout the year, so I'm not completely familiar with the brand, which is why I'm probably going through this unboxing very quickly because I can't tell you anything about the products. So yeah, so now we've got something for your eyes. A Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Eye Cream, 5 mils. I love the fact that we've got a day cream, a night cream, an eye cream. Yeah, really, really great. It'd be nice to see some serum in there maybe a cleanser or a cleansing balm. We've had a micellar water. What day are we now? Day number 11 up here. Daily Hydration Hand and Nail Cream. And this contains SPF 15 as well. 75 mils. Oh, I'll give this a go. I think I've put too much on there now. It's going to go on my dress. Oh, yeah, it feels really nice. Feels really nice. Does it smell? Yeah, it's got a subtle smell to it. It smells lovely, but oh, my hands just desperately need care. I do use hand cream a lot, but they're still dry. They're not horrific. They're not really, really dry, but it just feels so nice when I put a cream on. So yeah, really happy with that. Day number 12 is over here. It's a really large one. A full-size something, no doubt. And we've got, this is 15% glycolic acid, resurfacing peel, instantly skin feels dramatically smoother, and there's 30 mils there. Oh, brilliant, okay. Dramatically smoother feeling, baby soft skin, brightens for a radiant, healthy looking complexion, clarifies skin, and pores look refined. Skin tone looks even, and the appearance of long-standing marks are reduced. Prime skin for even better results from your skincare regime. Use 3 times a week at night. You just leave it on your skin for 5 minutes and then you wash it off. If you've tried this, please let me know what you think of it. Day number 13 over here. Woo. Ooh, free Stay Perfect concealer worth £9.99, and I've got until the end of May to buy it. Pop into a Boots and get it. Oh, I like that. You get to choose the shade that you want as opposed to putting in a concealer and hoping the best that it'll just match everyone. So no, great idea that. Day number 14. And we have got serum. This is Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Serum. And there's 5 mils there. So it's a little mini one. Unfortunately, these smaller sizes don't give much information about the products. Day number 15. The sizes are getting smaller as the calendar goes on, but this is a line corrector booster serum. There's 3 mils here. Apply directly to lines and wrinkles every morning and evening. I like the sound of that. A line eraser. I just put it on my 11s. I don't like that area. I've never had Botox, and in all honesty, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not to say that I'd never get it, but I am a little bit nervous of getting it just in case it goes wrong. I'm lucky at the moment. I haven't got deep set lines around my eyes or anything, but yeah, don't like that area. But not so much that I would go and get Botox. Not yet, anyway. But it'd get a point where I'll be too old to have it, because there's no point. Or does it? Yeah, it still works, doesn't it, if you've got wrinkles there? But they say for people to start getting it in their 20s, isn't it, as a prevention. Day number 16. And we've got something for the lips. This is Protect and Perfect Lip Care. And there's 10 mils there. Oh my gosh, look what I've done. I went to squeeze it and a whole load came out. It's a cream. Is it a treatment or is it more like a lip balm? I don't know. It doesn't tell me. It just says smooth on and around your lips every morning and evening, and anytime they need a little extra care. So yeah, it's like a protection cream for your lips there. Day number 17. Off we go. We got a fit. Oh, it's a nice big one. I love these cloths. Both me and my daughter, we go to these type of cloths first. We've got a downstairs bathroom and I've got a little tray and it's all piled up with makeup removing cloths. And yeah, these are the ones, I can hardly find them because she has them, but they are so good at removing makeup. They feel amazing on the skin. It's just so soft, really soft. Yeah, I do really like them. Yeah, so we got a number 7 one there. Day number 18. We've got a beautiful skin softening foot scrub. Gently exfoliates to reveal soft, smoother skin. And it's 75 mils there. Give your feet the attention they deserve with this indulgent foot scrub. Formulated to gently exfoliate, revealing softer, smooth and revitalised skin. I completely neglect my feet during the winter. Yeah, out of sight, out of mind. Because it's yellow, my brain is telling me it has lemon scent. It mentions nothing about lemons. You can see it's bitty. It reminds me of the old St. Ives apricot scrub. No lemony smell. So there's that. Day number 19. Only a few more to go. Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Primer. Instantly lifted and brighter looking skin. Prolongs the wear of makeup and a flexible formula. And there's 30 mils there. It says to wear regularly beneath your Lift Illuminate Triple Action Serum Foundation for instantly lifted and brighter looking skin. If you've tried that foundation, please let me know what your thoughts are. So you've got a primer. Day number 20. Eye Crayon Galactic Gold. I love these. And wow. I have got a few in this shade. I've got a By Terry one. I've got a Charlotte Tilbury. I've recently had one from or inside a Stylevana, a Korean beauty advent calendar. That's really nice. I think that one is much better than the Charlotte Tilbury one I've got. Oh, that one's nice. It's not too in your face. Can you see? It's not over the top. Glittery, you know? Just a nice pencil to create some highlight maybe in the inner corners or as a halo. So there's that. Day 21. We've got a lip liner in Starry Nights. What did we have that was Starry Nights? Was it one of the lipsticks? A nice and thin nib there as well. Yeah, and it'll go well with the lipstick. This is matte. There's no shimmer at all in there. Or is Starry Nights part of like a Christmas line of makeup maybe? Day number 22 over here. Got a cleanser. This is a daily energizing exfoliating cleanser to reveal instantly brighter skin, suitable for all skin types. And there's 50 mils here. Yeah, that's a nice size to try it as well. Blended with exfoliating natural apricot seeds Skin is left feeling instantly refreshed, re-energized and prepared for the rest of your regime. Buff away dirt and daily impurities whilst helping to unblock pores, leaving the appearance of skin texture visibly improved and instantly glowing. Okay, so daily energizing exfoliating cleanser. Day number 23. Oh, we've got a vitamin C glow toner. Instantly brightens complexion, pores appear minimized. Again, suitable for all skin types, and 50 ml. Formulated with 2% vitamin C, this toner will leave an instant glowing and vibrant complexion. Dull, tired and lackluster skin is instantly transformed for a radiant look. 2 more to go. Day number 24. Gel finish nail colour. And does it have a shade? What's it called? Pillar box. I'll pass this on to my daughter as I have gel nails done. And I've got quite a few reds now. I do wear nail polish on my toes. Oh, that is a gorgeous colour though. It is bright red. The last box of the advent calendar, day number 25. And we have got, what is this? It's a multi-purpose stick. It's a limited edition. There's no writing except for that little label there. So you can use these, swipe on your head. I was going to say, well, obviously you put it on your head. You can put it anywhere. You can use this for highlight on the high points of your skin, forehead, bridge, cupid, or on your shoulder blades. There. Or as eyeshadow. But yeah, what's it like? So it gives like a glowy golden shimmer. So it's a limited edition multi-purpose stick. Those are all the products inside this year's Boots No7, the more affordable advent calendar, which is £49.50. It has a value of £219. I really like it. There's a lot of products here I've never tried before, never seen before, but it feels like it's put together really nicely. We've got cleansers, toners, moisturisers, night creams, serum, micellar waters. We've got a good mix of makeup and skincare as well. Yeah, really great. And I definitely think it's worth the money that you pay for it. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you get this calendar for yourself? Did you get the ultimate advent calendar? Or are you thinking, I don't know? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.